will be a step-by-step longer process, and the second one will be a shorter, quick type thing.
My name's Francis. I'm one of the co-founders of Cadmen Academy. We've had Cadmen Academy for about 9 years now since we started. Fades have been our specialty, you know, men's hair cutting. That's why I love the in-person classes. This is gonna help you a lot.
I'm his right-hand man. My name is Rocky. I've been in this industry for, it's my 17th year now. We're here to show you guys today what it takes to break that limiter in your mind that stops you, refrains you from wanting to achieve what you want. It's the fear that stops you. For us to showcase you and show you step by step, to show you that this is okay, you're allowed to do this.
If you follow these steps, step by step by step by step, and then go over the next step, you have a better way of like knocking all these lines out. And at the end, the only line you gotta work with is the 0 line.
Ready to start?
I think, yeah, we're good to go. I think master going here, there's always a dip above. We're gonna go downwards, but we're gonna stay above the dip so we don't attack that, and then we're gonna go and create a U, more of a U shape, right? So look what happens there, right? You're taking away that shape, right?
I switch it up from time to time. A good rule of thumb is pinky's width below this initial guideline is gonna be your trimmer, and then another pinky width below that is gonna be your ball there, your foil shaver.
I'll show you the first guideline. So I'll show you half his head before the hair models come in. This might pull the hair when it's that length, right? So, or you might be going too much and stretching out too much. So I always like to do like small areas. Like I start little areas to get the hair out. Snagging a bit, there could be hair built up in the machine. So the machine's not running properly, you gotta clean it.
Which one's tighter? That's right. Yeah. These are all bridging gaps. The next thing to be done, the line. There's no line, right? Just from throwing this machine in general. That's like little to no work. Little to no efforts in order for me to like blend that secondary line up top out.
You can use this side. So I like to go over and I like to go under. Yeah, it's a good trick to soften up. Everyone has their preference. I can't, like, you know, like for me now, like I keep everything stock. For Rocky, he likes it all adjusted. He likes playing with his tools, right? Everyone's different, but you kind of use what works for you. Yeah, some guys like it where you use a straight razor and you're using it, it's like residue of like your skin leaving on the mark of your beard so you could see the silhouette, and some guys get addicted to that.
Go down completely. So I'll flex the machine out and you can see me pivoting from side to side, still honoring that curvature that's being created. That's open. I wouldn't say corner, I say like a third of the blade. If I'm doing corner work, if I'm doing this, I'm gonna be here forever. If I wanna maximize my time here, I'm gonna add more contact from the machine.
So he went from here, but he taps it, right, lightly, because the corners are usually the lighter areas for men, right? As we age, the lighter the corners start getting higher.
Today we learn from the best. Just don't be afraid to use the trimmer. It's just the never-ending learning of being a hairdresser. It was a fantastic class.
Just not being so gun-shy about doing things step by step as you would have read in a manual or something, that you have a little bit of freedom to be creative.
And this class taught me the different steps to really get the job done. So I'm feeling more confident. The team was very hands-on, very helpful. Coming away feeling confident in doing a fade and sharpening my skills.
We had our class today from Cadmen Academy. Thank you very much. It was very inspiring and very wonderful work, and we were great educators.
Something I learned new from today's barber class was that you can have multiple sets of tools and equipment for different purposes. We used 2 different trimmers. One was zero gapped and one was not a zero gapped, and that made a huge difference. And I think that will be something I will take away for when I'm working from the set and doing background actors, and it'll speed up a lot of my service.
After today's class, I feel a little bit more confident about laying a foundation or like a set guide. Thank you so much, Cadmen Academy, for coming in today, teaching us all about fades and barbering.